Hey everyone, so in this video I want to talk about this word translated adoption, which we find here in Romans 8:15, where we cry Abba Father, but also we find actually in 5 occurrences of the New Testament from huiathesia, which is a feminine noun, huiathesia, where, as I'll show you, to translate this word adoption really robs us from the true definition of what this word is expressing, which is a sun setting, huiathesia, in which we cry Abba Father. So the word adoption in our English language is actually the action or the fact of legally taking another's child and bringing it up as one's own. But this is not what sun setting defines, where huiathesia is derived from the Greek word huios, which defines a son, which should be in the definition of the word. And then tithany, which is to set something in place, to set, which we see the Dabhar translation consistently translates as set in all of its occurrences. So what is a sun setting, or to be set as sons? Well, it's not an adoption, okay? It's a new creation as an origin of a creation. In James chapter 1, verse 18, we read, "The one guided by his determination gestated us," which is a birth, where the FR here indicates that this word contains the preposition apo, which is apokuo. Apo denotes motion away from the surface of a thing, as we are being gestated according to a birth, hence birth pangs. We are a from origin of a creature, okay, a being, which is not an adoption, but being set as a son in the manifestation of a son of God. So at present, through Adam, we are human beings, flesh and blood, according to the germ of death which abides in our flesh. Then we die, and then we are made alive in the resurrection, but each in his own order. Christ is the from origin as our head, the body of Christ, where thereupon those who are of the Christ in his presence will be made alive as those creatures according to the parabolic orders of the watch times, which I talk about constantly. So the from origin concerns a new creation, but now, presently, we are according to a sun setting, where when it becomes actual manifestation, we are sons of God. Luke 20:36, which is not an adoption, but a new creature. Okay? Neither are they able to then deaden away in the future, because we have Aeonian life, for they are equal to angels, or likened to angels. They are sons, huios, sons of God, being sons, huios, of the resurrection, which according to the last day orders, each will be made alive according to the first, second, and third watch times. So when we come to Romans chapter 8, verse 23, for example, we who have the from origin of the Spirit have the earnest deposit of the Spirit, which is not yet the manifestation, but the so-called down payment, I guess you would say, of our law according allotment. So we have the sun setting presently toward the unloosening of our body, but that's not yet seen, because on account of expectation and the faith, we were saved, but expectation being look seen is not expectation. So sunsetting is now, presently, where then the manifestation is the sons of the resurrection. So adoption is just simply a very poor definition of huiathesia, which is literally sunsetting.